Today we're going to be opening Union Arena. I was actually talking to a Japanese vendor in Japan. He told me that this is getting real popular out there. We are mainly Pokemon based when it comes to cards, but for now we're going to be opening up some Union Arena. This one's actually based off of Bleach. There's some chase cards in these packs that are actually signed by the voice actors of the characters. We're actually looking for this guy right here. So let's open the pack. All right, so. Ooh, nice. Probably not worth as much as the Japanese versions just because anime in Japan is like peanut butter and jelly, so. We're good, so. Card. Nice. Another full art, bro. Let's go. Wow, this one's nice. I actually just seen this on eBay earlier. I don't even know how much the American version goes for, but wow, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful card right there. All right. Okay. So, of these 5 boosters, we managed to pull 1, 2. Very, very nice. I think the style on these cards is pretty cool, especially the full art rares. Those are really the chases. Highly recommend stopping at your local card store, Walmart, Target, wherever you can find these, and definitely picking up some packs.